So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and many of you are facing some kind of issues. Basically, the issue isn't starting any lab, you get two kinds of error. So, first of all, let me tell you if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. And let me come over to the main problem. So, here basically, many of you are facing issues when you click on Start Lab. You either get error like contact your administrator, or you get one more error that is basically based on that provisioning resources, and it keeps loading, and it is just keeps loading and does not start lab. It is because the Qwiklabs, basically the GCP team, is having some kind of problems and they are working on it. So here is the message you can see with red highlighted over here, that we are currently facing a temporary service disruption and actively working to restore the functionality. So, meanwhile, what you can do, you need to wait for it to get the labs fixed. So, when the lab will be fixed, I will make a post or just make a short video or just upload any video. Okay. So, you need to wait for it. Till now, do not do any lab. Do not start any lab. You may face some kind of issues and you may lose the credits. So, I'll suggest do not start any lab, wait for the update, and currently you can just take a rest. So that's all about this video. And if you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, here is one important thing, that if you want to just check the master sheet. Okay, I have uploaded the master sheet, you can see here. So here is the master sheet. It has all the Lapti courses, pre-assessment skill badges, and the basically all the guides, and how you can reach the 95 points too. So you can watch this video, and if you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day.